Hey Amelia, you excited about moving?
Yeah, I'm really excited, but we got a lot of work ahead of us.
So what are we going to do back here tonight?
What we're going to do is we're going to remove all these trees and disassemble our 2 benches.
That's right. So stay tuned to Smoky Hill Bonsai. We'll get started. So we've been working in the house all day today, trying to start packing, and it's kind of nice out this evening. So the first thing we're going to do in this process is take all the trees off the benches, and then we'll start taking them apart. So when I built these, I put these 4x4 posts in the ground about 2 feet, and I did not put concrete around them because I was anticipating this move and I wanted to take these benches with me. So I set the posts. I actually built the bench and put the rails on top of it in the garage, and I actually had the posts laying in between the 2x4s so that I had a good space there. And then I came out and set the posts and then put the benches on and put this lag through there. So what we'll do is take the trees off of the bench, and I'm going to mark each post because since there's a lag going through them, they'll probably fit back together just really one way. So we'll get that off, we'll mark them, and then take those lags out and then move the bench. And then we'll have holes to fill, obviously. So. Okay, so we got the trees moved off the benches, and Amelia is going to water them real quick. And then back here, where the benches were, where we pulled the posts out, the kids hauled some dirt and filled the holes back in. We kind of watered it in to settle it in. And I overseeded this lawn here not that long ago and haven't been watering it very well. And we have not been getting any rain at all. So I'm going to go ahead and try to revive it a little bit with some water. And then we still have a couple weeks until we're out of here, but we'll go ahead and just go ahead and get it cleaned up. And I got some winterizer fertilizer I'll put on it too, and hopefully everything's hydrated well and cleaned up for the new homeowner. And the compost bin back there has been a real popular place for the kids to hang out and talk over the fence with the neighbors, and it gave way today, so we'll go ahead and pull that apart this weekend sometime also and clean that up. Okay, so we got the benches down, and the trees over in this area will hold them for a while. I can easily water them and hopefully keep the squirrels out of them. And we've got the water in the back, trying to rehydrate the backyard. So what do you think, Amelia?
What happens if how do they keep following this channel?
So if you want to continue to follow along as we move to the new house, get the trees moved over and the benches all set up, and reset the yard over there, hit the subscribe button, and you can follow along with us. If you like this video, please like it, and also if you hit the notification bell, you will get the video just as soon as we send it out. What do you think? What else?
Nothing.
Nothing else? All right, say goodnight.
Good night.
See ya.